Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to make Phoenix Browser your default browser on your mobile device. If you are tired of switching between browsers or want a faster, smoother browsing experience, this video will guide you through the process. First, open the Phoenix Browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. Then look for the option labeled Set as Default Browser and tap on it. A list of available browsers installed on your phone will appear. From this list, select Phoenix Browser. After selecting it, click on Set as Default to confirm your choice. Finally, you have successfully set Phoenix Browser as your default browser. You can now enjoy opening links directly in Phoenix without having to manually select it every time. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips.